أهلا ومرحبا بكم على قناتكم التعليمية Learn English with بسمة. درسنا لهذا اليوم هو تكملة للدرس السابق. في الدرس السابق رأينا Simple Past Affirmative Form. في هذا الدرس سوف نرى Simple Past.Negative Form. قلنا في الدرس السابق أن الأفعال في الماضي تنقسم إلى قسمين: Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs that end with ed، ولكن irregular verbs هي أفعال غير منتظمة. Okay, let's start simple past negative form. Let's start by the verb do. فلنبدأ بفعل do. Verb do in the simple past: I did. Irregular verb. Negative we add only not. نضيف فقط not. I did not. I did not. This is the full form. Short form: you did not. What do we do? Like this. We delete the O, and instead of the O we put an apostrophe. You didn't. إذن الفرق بين الفول فورم والشورت فورم هو كما ترون: I did not. You didn't. He didn't. She didn't. It didn't. You, plural, didn't. We didn't. They didn't. I did not, you didn't, he didn't, she didn't, it didn't, you didn't, we didn't, they didn't. Let's conjugate now the verb to be in the simple past negative form. I was. I was not. You were. You were not. He was. He was not. Short form: he wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. You were not, or you weren't. Short form: we weren't. We were not. They were not, or weren't, as you like. Let's revise. I wasn't. You weren't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. You weren't. We weren't. They weren't. Let's take another example. Let's take the verb play. The verb play in the simple past negative form. The verb play in the simple past: I played, because it's an regular verb. Negative form, we need an auxiliary. The auxiliary do, did in the simple past. So we will say I didn't play. I didn't play. كما ترون subject I plus زائد أو بالإضافة إلى auxiliary المساعد did negative form في صيغة النفي زائد plus the verb play infinitive form. Infinitive form. Okay? لا نصرف الفعل. I didn't play. You didn't play. لا نغير. He نفس الشيء didn't play. She didn't play. It didn't play. You didn't play. You plural. We didn't play. They didn't play. Let's conjugate another verb from the irregular verbs. Let's take, for example, the verb see. The verb see. In the simple past, it becomes saw. Okay? But here we are going to conjugate the verb see in the negative form. لاحظوا جيدا. سنقول I didn't. هل نستعمل سي أم سو؟ هل نستعمل سي أم سو؟ جيد، سنستعمل سي صيغة الانفينيتيف لأن لدينا I didn't حالة النفي. I didn't see. You didn't see. نستمر على نفس المنوال. He didn't see. She didn't see. جيد، رددوا دائما بصوت مرتفع. It didn't see. You plural didn't see. We didn't see. They didn't see. جيد. Let's take some examples. For example, affirmative form. Affirmative form. Let's say, for example, I managed to buy a car. I managed to buy a car. This is the simple past, of course, regular form because we have ed. And we need to have the negative form of this sentence. What are we going to say? I, negative form, فكروا جيدا. جيد. I didn't manage. Very good. Infinitive يعود الفعل كما كان. manage يعود الفعل لصيغته الأولى غير مصرف لأننا في حالة النفي. I didn't manage to ونكمل buy a car. Affirmative form Layla saw a lion at the zoo. Negative form Layla didn't see. You see, infinitive. A lion at the zoo. Layla saw a lion at the zoo. Negative, Layla didn't see a lion at the zoo. Another example, affirmative form. They went to London. They went to London last year. Negative form. They didn't. What are we going to say? Go. Infinitive. They didn't go to London last year. إلى هنا أصدقائي ينتهي درسنا لهذا اليوم. أراكم في الدرس المقبل بإذن الله.